Hi everyone, welcome back to Melo's channel.
And we have here the Naruto by Little Dino HY2101. And this one is a really pretty box. Like it's spring. Like currently I'm filming this during the springtime season, but I don't know when I'll be uploading this opening. But I'm really excited to see what kind of hits we could get from this card box. Hopefully, we could get a lucky box which has more hits than the usual card box, or sometimes they would call an error box or a god box. And for this Naruto Little Dino sets, like there's no god box, but there is god box. Like the hits would be more than usually, and I'm not really sure how many hits you should get per box, but let's see for ourselves what kind of hits we get. And this set does include a promo pack or a hit pack, and I'm not really sure this hit packs or the promo packs is a kind of hit or miss, but we'll be definitely opening it for last. And the box art style and the card pack itself is the same. And here's the info on the pack itself. And the pack itself has a really nice feel. And the cards from Little Dino is really good quality from what I had experienced, and that's why I had continued buying the Little Dino card boxes since I did like the card quality, but I do really like the hits itself. And here we have a rare of Ino, Lady Tsunade, and we have Obito, and SR card of Sakura. And this one is just an SR card, but look at this SR card. It's a really nice SR card of Sakura. And here's for our second pack. And just a added info, like I did scan through Google Translate the art style on the pack itself, and it says that it is a young Neji. It's just a trivial matter, but here we have a Rockly card, and this Rockly is really fun. Like I have opened a few boxes, just a few boxes of the Naruto Little Dino, and so far the rare cards or the artworks for Rocky is really a fun cards like so far. And here for the next pack, like here we do have also a redeem card included on the side, and here we have Hidan, we have a rare and a rare of Karui, and SR card of Lady Tsunade. I'm thinking it's Lady Tsunade because of the mark on her forehead, and most likely the artworks are like a AI generated artwork so far from what I have seen, but we will see more if it's actually like that. And here we have a rare of Hinata, a rare of Mabui, and SR card of Kakashi. And this one is the same on the side of the box. If you have seen it earlier, like very same artwork, and it's not my favorite art style, but from time to time this kind of artwork is fun to see, especially if the normal or the original artwork became repetitive. And here we have another SR, and for the next pack, and like I won't be opening all the packs for this video. I'll be opening about 15 packs and open the rest while opening other kind of packs from Naruto as well. I think that's what I'm gonna be doing onward. Like instead of different, really different anime like Naruto, then One Piece and others. Like I'll be doing just a different packs from Naruto, different packs from One Piece and other sets like that. For now we have the SR of Naruto, and that SR is a really nice card. And yes, I'm experimenting everything and what I feel like filming and what packs that I want to open. Like lately, I have been really opening all the packs. Before, I would really left behind some packs for the future me to open. But these days, like since I do only live once and I don't know if I could buy another set like this, and I wanted to see all the cards. Right now, that's just how I feel. And here we have another SR of Sakura. And this one is a really nice SR of Sakura. Although it's far away from the original artwork, but it's still a nice card overall. And here's for the next pack. And here looks like we have a hit of Minato. And here we have a rare of Tenten SR card of Minato. And those kind of SRs are really different, like Kakashi SR, like very different from your usual. Actually, every artwork on this set is really very different, but still it's very refreshing to see. And here we have a rare of Hinata, we have a rare of Kabuto, and SR of Temari. And some artworks is closer to the original artwork, like Temari's artwork, and that's the only artwork that I had seen so far that's close to the original, or like the Hinata card. And here we have a rare of Obito and SSR of Ino. And for the next one, like, have you opened any Naruto card boxes for yourself? I'll definitely be opening more Naruto in the future, and I'll be collecting mostly what I think I would like especially this one is SR of Naruto. It's a black haired Naruto. Really amazes me how Naruto would look in a black hair. But I still do like Naruto's hair color, the natural golden yellow color. And here we have a rare of Samui and a rare of Shizune and SR of Sakura. And definitely that one is like a AI generated artwork. And for the next pack, and I do think that SR card is my least favorite SR card for Sakura. But let's see first what else we could get. We haven't really gotten any CP or UR card yet, but hopefully we could pull some of the hits. But this SR card of Naruto is also really nice. And here's for our next pack. Like it's been a year, no, 2 years since I have been started collecting cards, and we did pull a UR card of Jiraiya, and that's a really cool looking UR card, and definitely different from the usual UR card that I have seen from my previous unboxing from the other sets. But definitely every set have different kind of art style as well. So I was expecting it to be different, but not that different. But here, and it looks like we have another hit, and here we have Hinata, an AUR of Obito, and a rare of Ino, and that's just a cool looking UR card. Like it's like a art piece of a UR card. These two UR card are definitely cool looking. Special. I do think that if you do complete the full UR card for this set, it would be amazing. Like seeing it on piece by piece and seeing them on a binder or side by side together completed, like the feeling of it is really different. And this kind of cards, that's why I continued collecting. And you have a really nice SSR card of Naruto, and definitely look at the foiling depending on where the light hits the foil. Like the card looks alive, or like it is more like the effect of the card. And yes, like from for this card, not just the happiness from opening the packs, when you look at them at the binder, the happiness doesn't really go away for me. And it has been 2 years, or almost 2 years, that I had been collecting. And so far, I'm still enjoying looking at them every day. And here we have a SSR of the pack. And as I have said, when I did do the Google Translate, they did say it is Neji. And here is our hit pack before we do a final touches on this video. And we have a Sasori card on the back, but let's do on the other side. And here we have SR card only, unfortunately. But that's everything. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.